Welcome to my video on the ultimate guide to passive income streams online. Passive income means earning money without actively participating in the process. One popular passive income stream is affiliate marketing, where you promote someone else's product and earn a commission. Another option is recurring revenue, where customers pay a monthly fee for a product or service. Digital products such as ebooks, courses, and software are also great options, as they can be sold multiple times without additional work on your part. Online advertising is another passive income stream, where you can earn money through ad clicks or by displaying ads on your website. Investing in stocks, real estate, or mutual funds can also generate passive income. It's important to choose a passive income stream that aligns with your skills and interests. Creating a blog or YouTube channel is a great way to build an audience for your chosen stream. Make sure to regularly analyze and improve your content or products to increase your earnings. Passive income is not a get-rich-quick scheme, as it often requires time and effort to establish. However, once it is in place, it can provide a steady income stream. Now you have some ideas to start creating your own passive income stream online. Don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated on more money-making tips and tricks.